BKH Motors presents you Mercedes A180 with very clean 1.6-litre engine with automatic gearbox. The car is 5-seater, 2014 model with good condition, 360 around with a mileage of 69,000 miles only. Few specs of the car includes electric windows, AC, electric folding side mirrors, steering with control buttons, climate control, reverse camera, stylish interior, elegant seats, Android, YouTube, Google etc. is also optionally available. Price of the vehicle is only £7,995. This vehicle's drive is very smooth and it runs perfectly fine. BKH Motors is AA approved dealer. All our vehicles comes with 1 year double A breakdown cover, minimum 6 months MOT, warranty, car service, approved mileage, valeting. Any inspection and test drives are welcome. We deliver nationwide. Call us to discuss the vehicle with our sales experts. BKH Motors is one of the main dealership in UK with wide range of stock available. BKH Motors is CarGuru's top rated dealer of 2024. BKH Motors, the name you can trust.